fresh air. I find this a rarity now. Everyone's always stuck inside on social media. So annoying. Anyways, do you want a cigarette? Oh, no. I usually don't smoke. I'm just a social smoker. Okay. Suit yourself. I am gonna get one. You know what? That is a good point. I do have the urge to pull out a cigarette every time I get lost, or a little bit nervous, or a little bit anxious. You see, I'm actually supposed to meet my friends. We came here to the club together at the XS Club, and now I have no idea. What am I gonna do at night? Who am I gonna be with? We'll see. So, what are you doing here, all by yourself? Oh, you came with friends too? I see. How about we help each other look for said friends? Maybe one of us is lying. Here, if you see a bunch of young adults just wandering around and looking like they don't belong in a white t-shirt and black jeans, that's probably my friends. Well, really? Here, let's go take a look. Where exactly did I put my cigarette now? Let's see. In my pockets, I have a lighter, some cigarettes, gum. You weren't supposed to see that. And keys, and a smartphone, and oh, you weren't supposed to see that either. Well, yeah, you never know when I need these magnum-sized pieces of plastic. Yeah. Where's my wallet? They're supposed to be in there, but I don't know why they slipped out. No, trust me. I really have no idea. You would think someone maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. I mean, there definitely is a lot of grabbing going on in there. Here we go. I just received a text from my buddy. He said that he has my wallet. Okay, great. I mean, here's the thing. I'm very liberal when it comes to buying others drinks, so I don't really want to blow it all in one day, so well, what I'm trying to say is either way, I may have purposely given my wallet to my friend, and that's why I need it back. That way he could safekeep my money and not let me use it on my very addictive habits, just like drinking and treating pretty girls like you out to a drink. I'm just trying to say, I'm a very classy, noble, handsome, good-looking guy. Okay, how about this? Okay, tell me if this is a smart thing to do or just a dumb, whimsical thought that popped into my head, okay? How about I go back in the club and you come along with me? I'm sure that's where your friends are. They seem like the partying kind. And once we find our friends, I can ditch them again. We can both ditch our friends. I'll buy you a drink with the wallet that I get. And we can find a corner of the club to talk. Maybe somewhere quiet, outside on a balcony. What do you think? Really? Oh, great. Okay. Yeah. Follow me. We're going to go through the side entrance. It's for VIPs only. And any drink you want, just go ahead and order it. I'm sure they carry it in here. Did you get your drink order in? Good. Their customer service here is top-notch A+. Here, follow me to my booth. Yep, we pass all the people below, and we get to watch them from the top floor. It makes me feel all fancy. That's why I love coming to this club. And here we are, a fancy booth with curtains to draw just in case it gets too loud. Yes, it's very fancy. And if you need more drinks, just let the security know. They will grab it for you. Alright, now that we're settled in, are you comfortable? You know, I saw you eyeing me earlier, and I saw this kind of fire and this kind of lust that was burning in your eyes. And you were staring directly at me. And I tried moving around, but you kept following me. So now that we're here, why don't we get straight to it? No more beating around the bush. I don't even need to know your name. Just sit down, relax, and let me do the rest of the talking. Don't do that. Your lips are so fat and juicy, and it makes me wanna kiss you forever. But how am I supposed to breathe? I have to take breaks. Oh yeah, that's right. I have a nose. That's a good idea. Well, yes, baby. You make me feel so good. I want you to keep doing that. Here, put your hands on my chest. Let's keep going deeper and deeper. Yes, I really like that. I know I'm a very big guy. You know what they say about people with deep voices and big feet and big hands, right? If it's big in many places, chances are we're even bigger where it matters the most. Oh yeah. There's my most favorite bestest girlfriend of all time. I enjoy making these for you, you gals, and if you can go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, that would mean a great deal of, just a great deal to me, because, just like how some people like watching their bank account go up, not in flames, but like, fill up with money. I like to see my content fill up with likes and subscribes. And, yeah, you should do that for me. Especially if you're listening to the whole video. I mean, if you didn't like it, what are you doing here? Just go ahead, at least like the video. You don't have to subscribe, okay? I know 90 some percent of you aren't subscribed, but just like the video. You listened all the way. It's the least I could do.